Block, the parent company of Cash App, recently reduced its workforce by 40%. In the same window, Meta cut 8,000 roles. These companies are highly profitable. These layoffs represent a strategic reallocation of capital, moving funds from human payroll directly into the data centers and AI agents capable of doing the work. Inside many large enterprises, the ratio of machine identities, autonomous scripts and AI accounts, to human employees has already reached 82-1. These figures signal a permanent structural unbundling of the white-collar workforce. The traditional junior layer of the office is being dismantled as software takes over repeatable tasks. To navigate this transition, we are mapping out a 90-day sprint. This plan requires a current job, basic AI tool access, and 1 hour of focused effort every day. Corporate pilots are ending and full-scale rollouts have begun. The next 90 days are the optimal window to reskill before these organizational changes become permanent. The first wave of replacement focuses on entry-level administrative and junior operational roles. Basic support, scheduling, and junior analytics are the most exposed positions in the market. This is the mechanic of job unbundling. Instead of a large team of junior writers or analysts, companies are moving towards a model where one senior manager orchestrates a fleet of AI agents to achieve the same output. Survival requires targeting 6 specific AI-resilient career tracks. These include the agent orchestrator, who designs these automated teams, and the judgment worker, whose value is built on taste, ethics, and complex context. Demand for these new roles is outstripping supply. While traditional execution roles see declining interest, companies are paying senior-level salaries to anyone who can demonstrate mastery over these new systems. To stay relevant, migrate your professional identity. Your goal is to move from manual execution to a role defined by high-context strategic operation. Begin with a 15-day audit. Map every step of a weekly workflow. Identify steps a reasoning model can execute faster. Test the AI against this workflow and document the exact manual hours reclaimed. On day 16, we move into the adopt phase. For the next 2 weeks, assign all routine emails, research, and analysis to a primary reasoning model, like Claude or GPT-4. This builds the reflex of using AI as your primary thinking partner for every task. Days 31 through 45 focus on automation. Use a no-code workflow builder or an AI agent tool to entirely remove yourself from one repeating manual task. The goal is to create a system that functions without your direct input. Do not hide this automation. Instead, use it as a public demonstration of your ability to generate scale. Show your management that you are now producing more leverage than a traditional employee. By day 45, you have successfully detached your value from manual labor. This reclaimed time provides the bandwidth you need to build professional authority in Phase 2. Days 46 through 60 are the build phase. You must ship one functional AI project that solves a real problem for your team. This could be a custom internal bot to handle team onboarding or an automated scraper providing weekly market intelligence. The tool must be concrete and functional. From day 61 to 75, you must publish. Document the problem you found, the tool you built, and the specific efficiency gains you achieved. Public case studies act as a magnet for recruiters. 3 well-documented projects on LinkedIn or YouTube provide more proof of competence than a traditional degree in this current market. The final 15 days of the sprint are for positioning. You will formally rewrite your resume to reflect your new capabilities. Use this updated resume to apply for a stretch role or negotiate a salary increase based on the proven scale of your automated output. Completing this 90-day sprint redefines your professional identity. You have moved your value from basic labor to a systems architect who manages scale. By day 90, you possess automated workflows, a shipped project, and public proof of your adaptability. You have a portfolio that most of your peers have not even begun to build. The traditional corporate ladder is gone. It's replaced by a career landscape resembling a climbing gym, where requirements and handholds constantly shift as technology evolves. Avoid the urge to frantically jump between every new tool. Panic leads to burnout. Consistent execution in one direction for 90 days will always outperform a scattered chase of the latest trend. Commit to one of the 6 resilient roles in the comments below. In our next session, we will move from career defense to offense, walking through how to monetize these AI skills directly. You are not too late to adapt. You are exactly on time to